9 days after he called Nigerian youth children, see what is happening to his Twitter account. On the 29th of October 2020, a movie actor turned politician whose name is Desmond Elliot said something that caused a lot of reaction as the masses were so mad at what he said. The latter, who is Surulere, one representative in the Lagos State House of Assembly, incurred the wrath of Nigerians after he referred to them as children for abusing Nigerian leaders on social media. His speech motivated the former president of Nigeria, Goodluck Jonathan, to trend hashtag Unfollow Desmond Elliot. Goodluck Jonathan wasn't happy with his speech and opted for this. Other celebrities also reacted angrily to this. Today, as we speak, Desmond Elliot has lost over 1.1 million followers on his Twitter account despite coming out to publicly apologize. I believe he must have learned his lesson in a hard way, as his 1.2 million followers have dropped drastically to 12.6k. Thank you for listening to this news. Are we sure he has learned? Are we sure? Well, if he has learned, that's good for him. It's good for him because, they say that you don't need to tell a child that the day is done for him to know that it is time for him to wake up. You can imagine. How can you say such a thing when you know that you are also a youth? How can you say such a thing when you know that it was this same youth that protested and supported you? Why? A movie actor would decide to go into politics and the youth looked at it and say, oh, this man has been in the movie industry. He has been acting all of these things that is going on now. So why don't we give him an opportunity to put it into reality? So giving you the opportunity, you came in and start making a mess of the youth. So what else do you expect from them? What else? So that the youth took this step is the cause of you. You caused the whole thing. You made a mess of the whole thing. So no one is to be blamed here at all. So if they say you have learned your lesson, I don't really know. But it will be good if you have. Because if you have not, I bet you that means that you end up dying politically, which you're already dying already. Please can imagine, see how people are dropping from your Twitter account. See how people are dropping from your Twitter account just because of the error that you have committed. See, my viewers, the youths, I will tell you, are the owner. They are the true owner of Nigeria. The leaders of tomorrow are the youth of today. They are the youth of today. So whatever affects the youth of today will affect the future of tomorrow. Buhari before he became a military leader, he was a youth. He was a youth. And throughout his youth days, he experienced challenges, difficulties, both in good and in bad time. But he kept on moving. Is it not so? But then, today, who is he? The president of Nigeria. The same thing goes to Goodluck Jonathan. The same thing goes to Olusegun Obasanjo and others. But you, Desmond Elliot, you equally experienced your youth age. Even now, you're still a youth. Forget the fact that you are now a politician and you are now you are a movie actor and you are a youth. It's so painful that out of all the celebrities, the actors, the politicians that supported the youth during the protest, you are the only person and some few celebrities that refuse to come out and support the youth. And this same youth were the one that stood by you, supported you, front and back, when you were coming out for this senatorial position. Now it was time for you to support them. You are lambasting them, calling them youth. Okay, even the thing that even made you to be calling them children is still something that you as an actor is exposed to the social media. Without social media, how can you function or gain popularity? What has what has brought your recognition and popularity in the world? Is it not through social media? Who knows Desmond Elliot if not through the help of social media? And you went on to be supporting Fulani headers. I don't know if because you have a northern lineage, that is why you have decided to speak in their favor, unknown to you that it will come after you and affect you. You see that? So I advise you to to stay calm. Even if you are forgiven, you need to still do something extraordinary to win back the hearts of the youth, because you have totally lost them. You have lost the youth already. You are gradually losing them. You're gradually losing them because of the error. You understand? So I, for one, will say that you should do what you feel that is right. Alright? So, my viewers, with all this that have just been said, what is your take? What do you think? What's your observation? Has Desmond Elliot really learned his lessons? Deem it fit to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.